Good morning. Today is Thursday. Today we'll be doing Packet 3, Sheet D. This is a review. This is the final sheet for Packet 3. You can submit today or you can submit tomorrow. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Here's number 1. On Monday, 267 students went to a trip to the zoo. All 5 buses were filled and 7 students had to travel in cars. How many students were in each bus? Okay, so 267 minus the 7 in the cars. Then you take that divided by the 5 buses and you get 52 students per bus. Number 1. There's number 2. Mike had 6 new baseball trading cards to add to his collection. The next day his dog ate half of his collection. There are now 41 cards left. How many cards did Mike start with? Okay, here's the work for number 2. Take the half that his dog ate, 6 that he added, you minus that and you get 35, so then you multiply by 2 on both sides and you get x equals 70 cards. 70 cards. Number 3. Here's number 3. Dan spent half his allowance going to the movies. He washed the family car and earned $8. What is his weekly allowance if he ended with $12? Okay. Here's the work. Subtract 8 from both sides. You get 4. Multiply by 2. You get 8. $8 was his allowance. All right. Spent half at the movies. Earned 8. He had 12. And then you do your work and you wind up with $8 allowance. Number 4. Here's number 4. Sally had $203 to spend on 7 books. After buying them, she had $14. How much did each book cost? So she had $203. Okay. She bought 7 books. You don't know how much each book cost, but when she finished, she had $14. So you solve minus the 203, you get a negative number. Okay. So negative 7x equals negative 189. Divide by negative 7 on both sides. 189 divided by negative 189 divided by negative 7 is 27 per book. Okay, $27 per book. Number 5. Sally bought a soft drink for $3 and 5 candy bars. She spent a total of $28. How much did each candy bar cost? So the 5 candy bars, you don't know the cost, plus the $3 for the soft drink equals $28. Subtract 3, get 25. Divide by 5, 25 divided by 5 is $5 per candy bar. Okay, number 6. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 168. What is the smallest of the 3 numbers? So even number is the first even number. Add 2, you get your next even number. Add 4, you get your next even number. And those add up to 168. So you have 3x. You simplify. All your x's give you 3x plus 6, 2 and 4 equals 168. Then you solve, and you get 54 is the smallest number. Number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 75. What is the smallest of the 3 numbers? So you have, again, x, then you add 2, you get to the next odd number, add 4 from the original, you get to the next one, you get 75 for the total. X, 3x, 2 and 4, 6. So 3x plus 6 equals 75, subtract 6, gives you 69, divided by 3, x equals 23 is the smallest number. Number 8. Sally sold half her comic books and then bought 6 more. She now has 17. How many did she begin with? So she sold half her comic books. She added 6 more. She has 17 now. Subtract 6, you get 11. Multiply by 2 on both sides. X equals 22 comic books. Okay, number 9. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 100. What is the smallest of the 3 numbers? So consecutive numbers, x, and you add 1 more, you get the next number. Add 2, you get the next number after that. They add up to 108. X, 3x, 1 and 2, 3. Subtract 3, you get 105. So 3x equals 105 divided by 3. 35 is the smallest number. Okay, number 10, last one. Oceanside Bike Rental Shop charges $17 plus $8 an hour for renting a bike. Tim paid $57 to rent a bike. How many hours did he have to pay to have the bike checked out? Okay, again, this is Packet 3D review. Number 10, 8x plus 17 equals 57. You do your work, okay, and you get 5 hours. All right, minus the 17, you get 40. 8x, 8 divided by 40. Excuse me, 40 divided by 8 then. These are 5 hours. All right, let's review, go over what we did. Here's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 9, and number 10. Okay, you can submit that, write it down today, submit it by tomorrow, and have a nice day. Thank you.